Google Autofill is a tool that many users might overlook, but it could seriously streamline your online experience. Let's dive into its features and see if it's truly worth your time or if there are better alternatives out there. Google Autofill is designed to save users time by automatically filling in forms and passwords across websites and apps. The core functionality is pretty straightforward. It remembers your details and inputs them for you, which sounds great, right? The user experience is generally smooth, especially if you're already integrated into the Google ecosystem. It works seamlessly across Chrome and Android, making it convenient for those who frequently use Google services. However, there are some areas that might leave users wanting more. For instance, while it handles basic forms well, it can struggle with more complex ones, sometimes failing to fill in all required fields accurately. Additionally, the setup process can feel a bit clunky for those not accustomed to managing their autofill settings. Overall, it's a handy tool for casual users, but power users might find it a bit limiting. So, what are the pros and cons of Google Autofill? On the plus side, it's free, easy to use, and integrates well with other Google services. It's a huge time saver for everyday tasks, especially if you find yourself filling out forms repeatedly. However, there are some downsides. Privacy is a big concern. While Google has made strides in security, some users may still feel uneasy about storing sensitive information with a tech giant. Additionally, the lack of advanced features like customizable shortcuts or more robust password management might frustrate those looking for a more comprehensive solution. If you're someone who values extensive customization or better security options, you might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, Google Autofill is a solid choice for those looking for a straightforward, no-cost autofill option. If you're already in the Google ecosystem and need basic functionality, it's worth a try. However, if you prioritize advanced features or enhanced privacy, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it's a mixed bag, but it serves its purpose.